हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू अवर वीडियो। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग खेलने जा रहे हैं हेनरी स्टिकमैन कलेक्शन। नाउ मैं ये गेम एटलीस्ट 6 साल पुराना है। मैं इसी पर वीडियो अभी क्यों बना रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैंने इसको अभी खरीदा है। एंड हम लोग खेलने जा रहे हैं प्रोलॉग ब्रेकिंग द बैंक। हम लोग आई थिंक बैंक को तोड़ने वाले हैं। आगे बैंक है, सामने कार्स है, ये क्या है ऑप्शन, सबटाइटल्स ऑन, ओके ये तो बस ये सेल्स के अचीवमेंट्स कौन से हैं? पेंटाफेल, गेट ऑल BTB fails, bank account, find all BTB bios. What are bios? The story begins complete BTB. Chalo. Can't have that going all day. Okay. Bios क्या है? To unlock a bio, right click a character when you see them. Henry Stickmin. He's short on cash, so it's time to get some. Not to be confused with Henry Stickman. इसका नाम है Henry Stickman नहीं, okay? Alright, let's play. We have bank. And ये रहे हम लोग, Henry. Okay. Shovel, explosives, teleporter, laser, wrecking ball and disguise. Teleporter, obviously. Who in their right mind would not pick teleporters? Okay, never mind. Shovel. Actually, बैंक को तो खोद नहीं सकते अंदर से, लेकिन सिंस मैं हूँ एक परफेक्शनिस्ट, मैं इस गेम को 100% करना चाहता हूँ, तो फेल तो लेना ही पड़ेगा। लेट्स गो। ये बैंक ईटा से बना है। I mean, ये तोड़ सकता है, लेकिन I don't think कि gas, oh shit, what, ये क्या हुआ क्या? Okay, whatever, explosives. I know this is gonna end bad. Oh. Come on Henry, मेरा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ है। मेरे आशीर्वाद की वजह से क्या होगी? Wrecking ball. ये तो 1 घंटा करेगा कुछ। New bio. Pentafail, get all BTB fails. मतलब ये सही है? Okay.
Yeah? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the back, just to be safe. You ever wonder why there's a bank out here?
I don't know either.
Well, I think it's supposed to be like more of a vault, you know? Oh, that makes sense.
Vault हो या ना हो, यहाँ पर बैंक कौन? I mean, फिर यहाँ पर क्यों? क्या? Okay, I think हम लोग चुराने वाले। Let's go. Map. The story begins. Complete BTB. Alright, bios. Oh, ये तो मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ। Chad Henson, fresh out of college, guarding a bank sounds awesome. Unfortunately, this job seems to be in the middle of nowhere. Okay. तुम एक बैंक को गार्ड क्यों करना चाहोगे मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन ओके। Philly Collin. Philly's been working at the bank at this bank. Wow. For 5 years now. He loves the badass look of the uniform. Yes. Ted McAdams, the driver of the bank truck. He and Winston have been partners for many years. Ted has always. Winston Davis, He always writes shotgun in the bank truck. He prefers looking at the scenery rather than focusing on the road. That is, yeah, that's valid. I like it. Alright, next. Escaping. Oh, हम लोग जेल में आ गए. Oh no. Oh man.
Oi, you. You're free to go. Not really, but you've got a package. Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job, and I don't lose my job. See you around. Free to go.
तो ठीक है. मैंने मेरा मजाक कर रहा है. मैं इन सबको रॉकेट लॉन्चर से बीट करूंगा. चलो मारो हेनरी. कम ऑन, लेट्स गो. नो, ऐसा नहीं करते. सेल फोन क्या ही करेगा. फिर से टेलीपोर्टर करता है. चलो. गोली मार दिया सीधा मुझे. एनर्जी ड्रिंक. एनर्जी. अरे आराम से बात नहीं. ओह बॉय. ऐसे हम लोगों ने कर दिया. इस पकड़ो इसको. फेंक इसके फेंक. ये देख रहा है कि इसको आई वांट डोनट. ये क्या हो गया. डोनट. यस, हम लोग आई थिंक इमीडिएटली जीत चुके हैं. ये ओके. मैं तो मर गया. अब बस बचा है फाइल, सेल फोन एंड ड्रिल. फाइल यूज करते हैं. इससे हम लोग जिम का दरवाजा काट देंगे. विंडो तो काटना जरूरी है नहीं. दरवाजा ही ओह नो, मैंने गलती से विंडो दबा दी. मैं गया. मुझे पता था. बंद करता. ओके. सेल डोर. What? You've got the respect of the statue. How dare you यार. कैसे. ठीक है मैप. ओह अच्छा, यहाँ पर हम लोग वापस जा सकते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता मैं ये क्यों करूंगा, लेकिन ओके. ये हो गया. नहीं हो गया. हो गया. हो गया.
Hey, he's escaping.
Belt of grenade or chair. Grenade! Grenade!
Go check yourself.
Oh no.
What the?
What the hell? Kill time. Left, because my lefty. Don't.
Shut up, janitor. You don't count. Now, the next one.
Oh. What? Fatty. How dare! Alright, अब हम लोग जाएंगे राइट. ये कहाँ गए हम. इतना दूर इसने किक कैसे कर दिया. प्लेट, रोप, पैराशूट, प्लंजर्स एंड जेट पैक. रोप. ओके, हम लोग स्लाइड डाउन करेंगे. देखिए तो कि ये तो जिप लाइन वाला वो लगेगा ना। हाँ, कि ये तो जिप लाइन वाला लगेगा। पैराशूट, पैराशूट तो बेस्ट है यार, पैराशूट करते हैं। चलो जंप। कहाँ थे उसे? ओह नो। Oh, I think that was just a regular backpack. See what happens when you assume? वहाँ पर पैराशूट लिखा हुआ तो मैंने assume नहीं किया। Jetpack. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow. मच्छर जैसे उड़ रहे हैं हम लोग। And मैं मर गया।
You're back.
I take many of the jetpack and go here to operate. Plungers. Oh, अच्छा मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं। Oh. Done. ये क्या था? What? ये क्या था? क्या? ये क्या? Whatever. यहाँ पर I think और भी endings होंगे, right? तो cell phone. September 9.
Witness, please continue your testimony. Okay. I was riding alongside my partner in the armored van, but suddenly spotted a bag on the side of the road. We got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag in order to break into the bank. Is that correct? Is it not obvious?
Is it not
Is it really
obvious?
that obvious? I have proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag. Well then, what are you waiting for? Present this evidence already.
Okay, evidence. Attorney's badge. ये तो evidence नहीं है. Floor plans of bank. I don't know ये क्या करेगा. Mysterious device. ये फिर क्या करेगा मुझे नहीं पता. Security footage. ये तो और भी खराब होगा. Doctor's analysis क्या करेगा. मतलब यही I guess.
Take that! Is that the bag the defendant hid in? Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in this bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside of the bag? What? If he was inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside. But then, how did he do it? It's simple. He didn't.
What?
What are you saying?
What the?
I'm saying my client wasn't hiding in that bag at all. He was stuffed in there. By this very witness!
Yeah!
As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken quite the beating. While he was in the bag, he was unconscious. This is absurd.
Disease.
The witness was attempting to dispose of the body. He left the defendant in the bag, knowing he'd drive by it on the way back to the bank. When the witness and his partner passed the bag, he convinced his partner to throw the bag in with the others. But why would he do that? Why, to dispose of the body, of course. There were millions of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. But it's come back to haunt him now. This can't be happening to me!
Yes.
Well, that certainly was an interesting trial. However, I am now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
Let's go. Even 40. नहीं. Yes. Load it up. F you. Train. Alright, हम लोगों को 2 एंडिंग्स मिल चुके हैं. अब हम लोग को 3 एंडिंग्स चाहिए. Okay, let's go. Okay, now file सही था, cell phone सही था, upgrade. Ah! What the hell, yeah? Crowbar and opacitator. Crowbar से I think ये तोड़ देंगे, लेकिन I think आगे कोई guard रहेगा या फिर कोई जो pass by कर रहा होगा. Yeah. What? Just move the blue slider to the right and you'll become as opaque. That means C2 for all you want to get it filled. As you want, not only that, but the more opaque you get, the easier it will be for you to pass through solid objects. You will walk through walls. Gadget Game 2009. Nice. Oh no. Yes, okay. What the hell, man? Oh no.
Oh,
Ah! Dodge! Try dodging the bullets, noob. Man, shut up. What the hell मैं press किया? No, I pressed. Go. Stop. What the hell, yeah? Come on. So यहाँ पर go. What the? Nice. Okay. Wow. Backflip. Run! No, get me. Let me get it, dude. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Oh no! Wow. Henry! Yeah. Yes? Let's go. Badass bust out. Let's yes yes हम जीत चुके हैं BBO and a dollar sign. Alright, चलो अब हम लोग सारे बायोस पढ़ते हैं. वाओ बहुत सारे. Henry Stickman, arrested for the attempted burglary of the bank. He now sits in Red Mesa Penitentiary. Whatever. Rupert Price, he's been on the force for nearly 8 years. He joined the police academy right out of high school. Nice. Okay. This guy's a veteran. Wow. And Dave Ponpa, he's new to the force and eager to do a good job. Nice. But I feel like ये fire हो गया. इतना check नहीं किया वो cake and हम लोग निकल गए. Harold Ronson. He works as the prison's janitor, but he also enjoys doing their maintenance work. Nice, nice. Blade Knife Man McGee. या फिर G, पता नहीं. Serving multiple life sentences for multiple counts of murder. He gave himself the nickname Knife Man. ये murderer है. Kev Portley. Okay. He only became a cop because he knows cops eat donuts and he loves donuts. You won't catch him doing much. Okay. So तुम बस डोनट्स खाने के लिए इतना ज्यादा पढ़ाई की है पुलिस बनने के लिए? Nice. He was beat up a lot as a child, Stump a Blump, because of his name, for obvious reasons. Poor guy. Ryan Goldman, Red Mesa Penitentiary's Employee of the Month for the month of June. Carlos Burdett. He works a desk job at the prison. He prefers it over going into the dangerous field, I guess. Star 8 Shooter. What the hell? Legally changed his name to Star 8 Shooter. He spits hot fire and raps mad lyrics. Respect. What the heck? Jen Brun, one of the administrators of the prison. She keeps it running in decent condition. Nice. Okay, 2 stars. Running stars का क्या मतलब है? But I think it rank बता रहा है. John Farn, a rookie to the team. This is the first meeting he's ever attended. John Gritz just got back from breaking up a fight between 2 inmates. It didn't go so well. John Barley, ये तो को Henry जैसे दिखता है. Failed out of firearms training 3 times. He's technically not allowed to use his weapon outside of the shooting range. Captain Jeffrey Custard, 30 years ago, a janitor. Throughout his lunch, he's held a grudge against janitors ever since then. Okay. Jonas Nugent. He's been quickly moving up the ranks. Just needs to pass the marksman exam. So इसी ने मुझे shoot किया था. यार ये डेजर्ट में क्यों है सब चीज यार? ये पूरा गेम ही डेजर्ट में है क्या? Captain Roland Canterbury, the man in charge of all officer training, officer trainer at Red Mesa, known to be very strict. Wow. Unknown Hendrix, always sleeping on the job. Nobody knows this person. ये सारा थूक नहीं कर रही हूँ. Okay. Gary, constantly put on evidence duty is least favorite job. Felix White, the city's most prominent defense attorney. He works hard to ensure innocent people are not put away. Nice. Hubert Brown, judge. One of the city's. ये तो एस अटर्नी का रेफरेंस है ना? Felix White, उसके अंदर भी था. One of the city judges. It's very difficult to tell him apart from other judges in the city. मुझे चेक करना पड़ रहा है कि मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग किया है कि नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे ये तो फिर से नहीं करना. Vladimir von Braun, nemesis to Mr. White. He's pretty cocky in his ability to put criminals away. This often becomes his downfall. Nice. Winston Davis has been disposed due to his involvement in the bank's break-in. Either way, he won't be going back to school. Okay. Chuck Sammets he works at Sandwich City and enjoys his free sandwich for lunch every day. Nice. मैं भी enjoy करूँगा free sandwich for lunch. Juno Grumpert, he's received jury duty 27 times this year. This can make even the most cheery man cynical. Bert Slim. He's been on the force for 6 years now, and yet there are still days that surprise him. Tom Hartley. He takes this job very seriously. Never seems to take those classes off. Okay. Captain Ed Roberts, the chief of police here at Red Mesa. He runs a tight ship and expects the best from all. Sorry. All these cadets. Jimothy Pug, fairly new to the force, does not handle pressure well. Michael Benz, he joined the force at the same time as his best friend. He is the clean-shaven. Sean Sheen, this is his first way back from a nice vacation. You ruined it. Whatever. Okay, so इतना देर से अभी तक ड्राइव ही कर रहा. Okay, breaking the bank हो गया. ये हो गया. Episode 2 है stealing the time. Well, ये मैं सही में episode 2 में करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि मैं मिलता हूँ आप लोगों से दूसरी वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।